Have you ever stared at someone's face and thought, how the hell is your skin that flawless? Like there's just this glow, no texture, no dark spots, no weird little forehead pimples, just smooth, radiant, glassy skin. Meanwhile, you've tried every cleanser, every serum, every toner, even that expensive thing with snail slime in it, and your skin? Still confused, still breaking out, still going through it. I used to think having clear skin was pure luck, that you either win the DNA lottery or you're just doomed to suffer. But here's what no one tells you. Clear skin isn't about doing more. It's about doing less, but doing it right. First things first, if your skincare routine has more steps than your morning coffee order, please stop. I used to layer product after product thinking I was being that girl. But in reality, I was just frying my skin barrier into a crispy little pancake. Your skin doesn't want a 10-step K-beauty routine. It wants you to chill. The first thing I changed was my cleanser. I stopped using anything that made my face feel tight or squeaky clean. That tight feeling, that's not your skin being extra fresh. That's your natural moisture barrier being stripped to death. Now I use a gentle, hydrating, pH-balanced cleanser that actually respects my skin. And the moment I stopped scrubbing my face like I was sanding wood, the breakouts started calming down. Like, immediately. The first thing I did was switch to a gentle, pH-balanced cleanser. If your face feels tight after washing it, that's not a good thing. That tightness means your moisture barrier is literally being stripped away. And when your skin barrier is damaged, your face goes into panic mode, redness, flaky patches, oil production goes wild, and then, surprise breakouts. Once I switched to a hydrating cleanser that didn't leave me squeaky clean, my skin finally started to chill out. But that was just step one. The next mistake? Skipping moisturizer. And I know, if you have oily skin, it feels wrong. Like, why would I add more moisture if I already look like a glazed donut by noon? But here's the catch. When you skip moisturizer, your skin freaks out, it gets dehydrated, and then it produces even more oil to make up for it. Another mistake I didn't even realize I was making for years? Jumping between products like my skin was a test subject. I'd finish one serum and immediately switch to the next hyped-up brand I saw on Instagram. But your skin needs consistency. It needs time to adjust, to respond, to heal. Every time I changed my routine, my skin was like, girl, can we just commit to one thing? Once you stuck to the same brand for a while, especially one with calming ingredients, you will saw actual long-term results. Oh, and let's talk about exfoliating, because wow, I did that so wrong. I used to exfoliate like I was trying to scrub my skin into submission, thinking if I just got rid of the top layer hard enough, the glow would magically appear underneath. Spoiler, it didn't. I just ended up red, irritated, and extra prone to breakouts. Then I learned about skin cycling, which sounds like a trend, but it's actually just common sense. You exfoliate one night, the next night you use your actives like retinol or niacinamide, and then you give your skin a break for a couple nights with just gentle, hydrating products. That's it. Let your skin breathe. Let it recover. Once I started doing that, my texture smoothed out like crazy. But okay, maybe your breakouts are hormonal. Or maybe they're from something you didn't even think about. Like, your pillowcase. When was the last time you washed it? Because pillowcases trap oil, sweat, dead skin, and bacteria. Then you press your face into it for 8 hours a night. I started changing mine every 3 to 4 days. And switching to a silk pillowcase? That helped even more. Less friction, less irritation, less waking up with weird forehead bumps. Also, please wipe your phone screen every day. It's basically a germ-covered slab you press against your cheek. Now look, I know you've heard this one 1,000 times, but I'm gonna say it anyway because it actually matters. Sunscreen. If you're not using sunscreen every day, nothing else you do will matter, because the sun will undo all of it. Especially if you're using actives or treating acne scars or hyperpigmentation, sun damage darkens scars, slows healing, triggers breakouts. And no, it's cloudy today is not an excuse. UV rays still hit your skin, even indoors. Just use it. Every day. Non-negotiable. Now, I didn't want to believe this either, but my diet mattered. A lot more than I expected. When I started eating more whole foods, less sugar, less dairy, I noticed fewer breakouts. And no, I didn't cut everything overnight. I just swapped my regular milk for oat milk and stopped snacking on sugar all day. I didn't even do it for my skin. I just wanted to feel better. But my face was like, oh, thank God, finally. Also, drink water. Yes, I know. Everyone says that. But there's a reason. When your skin is hydrated from the inside, it can actually repair itself. It holds onto moisture better, heals faster, looks plumper. You don't need to chug 3 gallons a day. Just keep a bottle nearby and actually sip it throughout the day. And if you want to go the extra mile, try fermented rice water. It's not some miracle cure, but it genuinely helped calm my redness and smooth my texture. Just soak some uncooked rice in water, leave it covered for 2 days, and then strain it into a clean bottle. Use it as a toner. That's it. And finally, probably the biggest skin tip I'll ever give you. Stop touching your face. Seriously, stop. Every time you rest your chin on your hand, or pick at a spot, or absent-mindedly rub your forehead, you're transferring bacteria. And that bacteria, yeah, that's what causes the little breakouts that come out of nowhere. So if you're wondering how to get clear skin instantly, here's the real answer. Calm the inflammation. Use less, not more. Stick to gentle products that don't strip your barrier. Give your skin a break. Protect it with sunscreen. Clean the stuff that touches your face. And please, drink some damn water. It's not a 5-minute fix, but it's faster than you think.